So ladies and gentlemen, this is Kevin, and Kevin is going to be starting off on a whole set of adventures, and the machine is, Kevin, what is this?
2018 ZX10R with a few upgrades and a few more upgrades to come. It's a pretty well set up bike, but it's a newer machine and it has quite a well diverse background, and it's a quite new model with a lot of potential behind it.
Awesome, awesome. So what are you doing right now?
We're going to replace the screen. We're going to go with their original screen, but it's from a different model. It's ZX10RR Winter Edition. It has the Signia logo or brand on it, so we're going to replace that to start off the series of videos to give it a little bit of look from an OEM spec look before we modify any further with other screens.
Cool. We're gonna hang in and watch you do it. So keep doing what you're doing. Okay, Kevin has just removed the windscreen that was on the machine. It was hand painted. It was the stock machine. There's four 4mm Allen bolts around the periphery that held that on. So he's now going to replace that. What are you putting on there instead, Kevin?
So this is a ZX10RR. It's still an OEM spec, but it's got this a brand or logo on it that makes it look a little bit different aesthetic-wise, a little bit more sportier. But eventually down the series, we'll get into a more double bubble screen aftermarket application that's on the other bikes for aerodynamic purposes. And eventually we'll get off these mirrors and it'll look a little bit different from a OEM spec.
Okay, looks good. Keep going. So right now Kevin is replacing the grommets. The upper 4mm little Allens have a grommet on the windscreen that helps hold it on the bike and reduce the vibrations.